would think it was about, at that time, I would think it's about 5 or 6 family.
Mm-hmm.
It grew after we settled down. There was some more
Right.
coming later.
Right.
But during that travel, we traveled through the woods and hills and swamp. And at night time, we would settle down somewhere just before dark
Mhm.
and build a fire. And women would do the cooking and all that. Then late in the afternoon, the men would go out and hunt rabbit, squirrel, fish. They done some fishing too.
Right.
My dad knew all this some way, somehow to get to close to the creek,
Mm-hmm.
And then we would eat and breakfast. After breakfast, we would move again.
Right.
We moved again to another area.
Mm-hmm.
After the sun goes down, we settle down again. Like I say, I don't know how far we off the road, but we was way off the road. I remember that.
Right.
And roughly, I would think it took us about a week,
Mhm.
maybe a little better, to do the moving around. After we got so far, my dad and 4 more men that he had picked, they went off ahead of us to find a place where we can move into. They went out and talked to these white people, big farmers.
Mhm.
They had the house vacant and all that.
Mhm.
So they went out to find a place for us to move in. So the last move we done, that's what we did. We moved to certain areas. Then they had to divide up what house each family goes to.
Right.